Dory, why did you start Friendly Faces?
It was when I first got my diagnosis, well after my diagnosis, I was quite depressed. I felt like they'd give me a death sentence. And then quite a few months, I was in this bad place.
Yeah.
And my friend invited me to a Dementia Friends session. And it was Chris Roberts doing the Dementia Friends session. And he said he had dementia. And he said, get involved. Anything that's going on, get involved in it. And then he put me in touch with the Deep Network. And my life just changed completely. I met all these other people living as well with dementia. And I thought, what would have happened if I'd not met Chris? And it was only by chance. And I think, where would my life be now? And I thought it shouldn't be left to chance. Something where people have a choice to chat, because not everyone wants to go to a group either at the beginning.
I wanted to join you because when I was diagnosed, it was very scary.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? It's very scary when you first go, you think your life's over. But actually it's not. It's the beginning of something else. You have to just take it as part of your life and keep going. So I thought, well, I joined Friendly Faces. Maybe if I could just tell one person, there's no need to be afraid. Your life isn't over. You can still live your life. When you're talking to people with Friendly Faces, you can tell them this is happening in what's happening in their area. Hefyd, mae'n bwysig I bobl gael siarad yn iaith eu hunan. It's very important sometimes for people with dementia to be able to speak in their own language. My first language is Welsh, so I'm a fluent Welsh speaker, but my English isn't so good now, so I do speak mostly in Welsh, but I will speak English. So if there's anybody out there who wants to speak to a Welsh speaker, I'm here. The life's not over.
Yeah.
You can keep going.
Keep going, keep laughing, keep smiling. You're still the same person you were before your diagnosis.
Do it. Just do it.
Yeah. And
we're not professionals, are we? We're just people living with dementia.
And I don't think you regret it if you had that conversation.
We are here for people. Pick up the phone and phone Friendly Faces just for a chat with us.
Yeah.